people. Normally, I don't ever shoot videos in the morning in office, but as you can see, it's yesterday we had a very busy day, so it always happens that after a busy day, the next day is there's a certain amount of lull. So that's how it is, and I'm the sort of person I work best in solitude. I mean, like I enjoy that whole thing. So it's like the universe has responded and gives me so much of solitude in a day that sometimes I'm like it's nice to have people around also sometimes, but the fact is like I had thought I uploaded 100 videos, but I think there are 10 more videos to go, and then it would uh, you know see there see I had 78 videos uploaded, and I thought 12 would make it 100, but 22 would make it 100. So yesterday I uploaded 12, so today I need to upload 10 more for it to reach that 100 mark. And I was taking a look at my videos, and they are fairly decent, and except that I realize I need to work a little on my complexion. 30 neem leaves, that's my target. I want to be eating 30 neem leaves. Then it will clear up my skin, I think. So that's a good thing. That's my tip for the day, that if you want clear skin, eat neem leaves. I know, very deep tip, but that's just how it is. So thanks for watching, people, and please subscribe.